morning, children. In this chapter, counting in tens, we have learned so many numbers. We have only 10 digits. The digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. But with the help of these digits, we can make so many numbers, beta. And we have learned numbers from 1 till 100. Now, these numbers have certain places, like the ones place and the tens place. For example, 23. Now, in the number 23, 2 is at tens place because we call it 20. 23. 2 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. Now children, these digits 2 and 3, they have a place and a place value. Now what is place value? I will tell you with the help of an example. Now I am Monica ma'am for you because I am your teacher. Okay? But I have my parents. When I go to my parents, I am their daughter. So my relationship with them is I am their daughter. And when I go to my own children, I am their mother. So the relationship is different. I am the same person, but with different people, my relationship becomes different. To my students, I am their teacher. To my parents, I am their daughter. To my children, I am their mother. Same way, beta, 23. 2 is at tens place. So the place value of 2 is 2 tens or 20. Now, if the number is 42, in the number 42, the place value of 2 is 2 ones. Why? Because 2 is at ones place in 42. Children, these place values and place, I am going to explain it to you with the help of a colored pen. Come, let us do that. Place and place value. Come children, let us study about these two things. You understand the meaning of place. Let us look at this number 24. This number has got two digits, 2 and 4. We don't call this number 2 and 4. What do we call it? We call it 24. Now children, 4 is at the ones place and 2 is at the tens place. And since 2 is at the tens place, we call this number as 24. Now children, the place value of 2 in this number is 20. The place value of 2 in this number is 20. Why 20? Because 2 is at tens place. And how do we get 20? Because 2 tens is 20. So the place value is of 2 is 20. And if we are asked at which place is 2, then we would say that place of 2 in the number 24 is tens place. Because children, there are two places, ones place and tens place. Since 2 is standing at tens place, so its place is tens and its place value is 2 tens or 20. Look at this number 42. Here 2 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. So beta, there are two things, place and place value. Place value is the value of the digit. Now, the place of 2 is ones and the place value of 2 is 2 ones, or it is equal to just 2. Now let us look at 4. In 42, the place of 4, if somebody asks you at which place is 4 lying, then the place of 4 is tens and the place value of 4 is 4 tens. And how much is 4 tens beta? It is equal to 40. So the place value of 4 is 4 tens or 40. Okay children, let's read these numbers. 34, 56, 75, 43, 67. Now, if we look at 34, here there are two digits. 4 is at ones place and 3 is at tens place. So the place value of 4 is 4 ones and the place value of 3 is 3 tens. Okay, if we look at this number 43. Now in this number the digit 3 is at ones place and that is the reason the place value of 3 is 3 ones. And here the digit 4 is at tens column. It is at tens place. So the place value of digit 4 is 4 tens or 40. Now look at this number 56 and this number 75. Children, in the number 56, the digit 5 is at tens place and that is the reason when we read this number, we read 50, 56, and in the number 75, the digit 5 is at ones place. So we don't call it 50. We read this number as 75 because 5 is at ones place. So in 56, the place value of 5 is 50 and in 75 the place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. Now look at the number 56 and 67. In both these numbers 56 and 67, we have the digit 6. In 56, the digit 6 is at ones place. So in 56, the place value of 6 is 6 ones. But look at 67. Here the digit 6 is at tens place. So the place value of 6 in 67 is 6 tens. I hope, children, you would have understood the meaning of place and place value. So in all these numbers, the digit to the right hand side, this is the right hand side. They all are in ones place. All these digits are in ones place. And all the digits which are to the left hand side, this is the left hand side. All these digits which are to the left hand side, these digits are at the tens place. And the place of a digit is the thing which is going to determine the place value of the digit. I hope, children, you would have understood the difference between place and place value. That's all for today. Bye. Have a nice day.